Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Gmail and signing in, then immediately use the search field to focus only on unread messages. Type is unread and press enter. Once done, skim the results and ensure you're targeting the right account and labels because bulk actions are permanent. Make sure to archive or star anything you might need later. If you have multiple inboxes or labels, switch to the one you intend to clean. This keeps deletions precise and controlled. With the unread list visible, click the top checkbox to select the visible messages, then click Select all conversations that match to capture every unread across pages. Once selected, decide. Delete removes messages, archive keeps them out of inbox but retrievable, and report spam flags abuse. Use additional search qualifiers, label, or category, to exclude subscriptions or important senders. You should pause and scan a page or two to confirm you didn't accidentally include receipts or starred messages before applying the action. After you delete, open Trash and click Empty Trash Now to permanently remove messages, remembering Trash auto-deletes after 30 days if you wait. Once done, Gmail shows an undo link briefly. Use it immediately to recover mistakes. If you expected unread emails to be gone but still see them, make sure filters, forwarding, or IMAP/POP rules aren't duplicating messages, and check other linked accounts. If problems persist, sign out and back in, or clear cache. This refreshes the view and often resolves display inconsistencies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.